Welcome to the Kentucky 4-H Virtual Experience. Today we're focusing on 4-H Cloverbuds. My name is Jennifer Tackett and I'm an Extension Specialist for 4-H Youth Development. Today we're going to focus on citizenship and civic education and making pop-up Valentines to give away to local senior living center residents. The materials that you will need are scissors, Valentine stickers, markers, a pop-up Valentine pattern that we'll show later, and red and white and pink construction paper. You will first need to cut around the edges of the pop-up Valentine pattern. You will fold the Valentine on the dotted lines shown. Next, you can decorate it with stickers and markers and personalize your Valentine if you have a specific friend in mind. You don't have to just send them to your local senior living residents. Think of other people in your neighborhood or home that you can make a special pop-up Valentine for. Thank you for joining me today for the Kentucky 4-H Virtual Experience focused on 4-H Cloverbuds. For more information regarding Cloverbud projects, check out our local University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service.